Hello viewers, welcome to Amoja TV. This is frameless glass door installation and it is ongoing. We are well versed in frameless glass installation. When you need someone to handle your project for you or to install glass door for you, call us. Being office partition, frameless glass doors, shower cubicle, structural glass balustrade, glass curtain wall, glass canopy. Call Amojet. Amojet will handle your project for you with a master hand. We also install aluminium glass windows and aluminium glass doors. Call Amojet when you need someone to do your glass work in general for you. Call us. For we do steeless balusters too. Call Amojet. Thank you. Call us for your project. We appreciate. Thank you.